Good morning, student. The topic which we will do today is major crops. A large variety of crops are grown to meet the requirement of the growing population. Crops also supply raw material for agro-based industries. Major food crops are wheat, rice, maize and millets. Jute and cotton are fiber crops. Important beverage crops are tea and coffee. Now in this topic, we are going to read about the crops which is grown in India or to meet the requirement of growing population. Some crops they also supply as a raw material for agro-based industries. Like if we talk about textile industry, so cotton and jute, these are raw material for textile industries. So major food crops are wheat, rice, maize, millets, and fiber crops, jute and cotton, these are fiber crops, and beverage crops, these are tea and coffee. So rice is the major food crop of the world. It is staple diet of the tropical and subtropical region. So rice is eaten more in tropical and subtropical region. Rice needs high temperature, high humidity and rainfall. We know that we need too much water when we are growing rice crop. So it grows best in alluvial clay soil which can retain water. It can be grown in alluvial clay soil because it is very good in retaining water. China leads in the production of rice, followed by India. China is at the number 1 position in the production of rice, and after China, India, then Japan, Sri Lanka and Egypt. In favorable climatic conditions as in West Bengal and Bangladesh, 2 or 3 types of rice are grown in a year. Now wheat requires moderate temperature and rainfall during growing season and bright sunshine at the time of harvest. When wheat is grown, it is grown in moderate temperature, not too high, not too low temperature, and moderate rainfall as well, and during the growing season, and at the time of harvest it needs a bright sunshine. It thrives best in well drained loamy soil. So wheat can be grown in loamy soil. Wheat is grown extensively in USA, Canada, Argentina, Russia, Ukraine, Australia and in India. In India, wheat is grown in winter and harvested in summer in April at the time of Baisakhi. Millets, they are also known as coarse grain and can be grown on less fertile and sandy soil. So millets can be grown in less fertile and sandy soil, and it is a hardy crop that needs low rainfall and high to moderate temperature. Like millets can be grown in an area in Rajasthan where low rainfalls is there and high and moderate temperature is there. Like jowar, bajra, ragi, these kinds of crops are grown in India. And other countries where millets are grown, these are Nigeria, China and Niger.